Hey, Dr. Boris, what's the difference between chiropractic and physical therapy?
Well, I get this question all the time. Chiropractic generally treats the spine. Physical therapy is mostly soft tissue, extremities, shoulder, elbows. Although chiropractors can also do soft tissue of any extremities, but our focus is the spine. Why the spine? The spine surrounds and protects the most important organ in your body, which is what? Your nerve system. That's why we try to focus on the one system that controls everything in your body. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to us, give us a call, or email us.